Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a video using text and Pictory. So let's start. So as you can see, here's the option, third one option. So we have to click on the proceed. And after clicking on the proceed, as you can see here, we have to provide the YouTube video link, or we have to upload the video, that which type of video we want. So for example, I'm going to paste the link here. So let's open the YouTube and we have to paste the link, that which type of video we want. And now let's choose the video, which type of video, for example, you want to create. So let's choose it, and I'm going to subscription section. So I'm going to copy this one and I'm going to click on this, and now we need to copy it. Let's click on the share and copy the link, and now we need to move to this, and here we have to paste the link here, and then simply we have to hit the proceed. And after clicking on the proceed, it will take few seconds or few minutes in checking out the video. It's up to your internet speed. So as you can see, it may take several minutes. You will be notified once completed. To continue work on other projects, click below. So as you can see, as you have read the description, it will take few seconds or few minutes in generating your video. You can come back and check later that your video will be generated. So in this way, you can use this option and generate a video. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.